There's been a huge showdown over the mass burial claims in Dharamstala. Remember, the past few weeks we've had these claims, and then there was the excavation that was happening, the exhumation of the bodies as well, or especially the bones basically that were found. Now the BJP is planning a big counter to the slur campaign. All Karnataka BJP MLAs heading to the holy town now. BJP claims it's a witch hunt against the temple. Dharamstala is basically a temple town premises where there was a claim, remember, from a former sanitation worker that he was forced to bury, allegedly, rape victims, assault victims or the dead. And this was to hush up a lot of matters. No human remains were found in the soil radar scan. But there were at one location, it appeared, while exhumation was being done, that possibly something was found. But it's a wild goose chase right now. The whistleblower was claiming, though, mass murders, burials of especially young women or even girls allegedly sexually assaulted, and it raised an issue over the temple town itself. The government had started investigation, but what we are looking at are serious concerns also right now. Now, I want to bring in Sagai Raj for the latest on that. Sagai, why is the BJP heading there? Why does the BJP say this could be a slur campaign?
BJP has alleged that the government is trying to tarnish the image of the holy temple, Manjunatha temple in Dharamstala. They claim that by raising this particular issue of mass burial is damaging the temple as well as the devotees. So yesterday they have demanded the Karnataka government on the status report on whatever the investigation which was being done. And government in return went on to say that the investigation is still ongoing and they will be able to submit a report on the floor of the house once the investigation gets over. And yesterday the BJP leaders have decided that they will go to Dharamstala on Sunday, that is on 17th, and they will offer a special puja and come back. So they are trying to give a moral support to the devotees of Dharamstala who feel that the name of the temple has been damaged due to this mass burial allegations against Dharamstala.
So that was the claim, that there are these mass murders, which means that there should have been bodies or skeletons in large number that should have been found. For now, the kind of excavations that are being done in those locations as mentioned